Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu and welcome. Today we are unboxing the bomber jacket from Satchel and Page. I've heard a lot of great things about this jacket, so I'm excited to see how good it really is. I previously unboxed the Rider jacket and I absolutely love it, so I'm excited to see what this bomber jacket has to offer. Be sure to watch the very end of this video as I'll be doing an on-body look of this jacket to show you what the color looks like straight out the box, and we'll definitely be talking about sizing and fitting, as that is the hardest part about buying a leather jacket online. And at the end of this video, if you guys do want to purchase this jacket, be sure to use the link down below in the description, and I would really appreciate it. If you guys aren't subscribed, I'd really appreciate if you guys went down right now, smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It's just one click. Let's go ahead and see what's on the inside. Got my unboxing scissors here, and you guys ready? Ooh. I'll give you guys the first look as always. Let's see how their packaging is. Unboxing experience, the packaging, that's the first impression to a brand. Let's see how they do, alright? Alright, what do you guys think? Look at this. Everything is wrapped with this nice big bubble wrap that's nice and protecting the jacket. That's pretty sweet. I like it. Attention to detail. Oof, look at that. This jacket is neatly folded. Put in here, put it into this bag so it doesn't get dirty while being shipped or damaged. Let's go ahead and see what the jacket is like. Woo! This jacket is so beautiful right out of the box. The leather is so smooth, so soft. It also smells so good. The quality, you can definitely tell the quality, the stitching, there are no loose threads. Everything is looking so beautiful on this jacket. Especially the leather, I can't stop touching how smooth and how soft it is. They use a full grain French calf leather, then vegetable retan to make it really soft. Next off, let's talk about the hardware. You want to make sure your leather jacket uses high quality hardware. Oftentimes the zipper breaks before the leather does, so you want to make sure the zipper is just as good as the leather. And I can see right here they use YKK zippers. That is an awesome sign. You know YKK zippers are some of the best zippers out there on the industry, and they use a number 10 zipper here, which is nice, big and chunky, very durable, not gonna break anytime soon. Another attention to detail, another small thing, but I really appreciate and I really like, is having this leather pull tab on the zipper. And on the pull tab, it also has Satchel and Page's logo. I previously owned a bunch of bomber jackets. I've tried them from different brands, and right out of the box, I can tell this is high quality. Let's go ahead and see what the inside looks like. Ooh, mine is green. For the inside lining, they use a tartan brushed cotton lining, and due to limited supply, the color of the lining might change. I've seen some videos that some of their linings are red on the inside, some are blue. Mine just happens to be green. Green, it's pretty cool. I like it. What do you guys think of the lining? Up top here is a Satchel and Page label stitched on. Beautiful. The stitching, quality, everything, no loose threads. Absolutely love the craftsmanship. So on the inside, left side of the jacket, there is an internal pocket, which I really like. It is button snap secure, so you can put your wallet, you can put your phone in for more secure space. You don't have to worry about it. So overall, this jacket has 5 pockets. 2 big button snap pockets on the outside, 2 hand warming pockets, and 1 internal button snap pocket. Pretty awesome jacket. But let's go ahead, put it on, see how the sizing is. Sizing, fitting, huge deal when it comes to leather jackets, especially buying online, since you aren't able to go into the store and try it on. So let me go ahead, put it on body, let me know what you think, whether it fits great, a little bit big or small. All right? Ooh, this is looking pretty awesome. It feels really great, like I said. This leather is so soft. This full grain French calf leather, So nice, no break-in period whatsoever. Another awesome feature of this jacket is you see this nice shearling collar. It is removable. I really like a removable collar because it gives you different styles. When you take off the collar, it looks like a different jacket, and you're able to wear this jacket in many different seasons. With this nice fur shearling collar you can wear in the winter to keep your neck warm. Look at that. Ooh, that is nice and cozy. But when it comes spring, you are able to remove it and still wear it. So that's really nice and convenient. Another great feature I love about this jacket is on the back here, there are these bi-swings gusts, which gives you more range of movement, which makes it a lot easier to move your arms around, which I think all leather jackets should have these gusts because it just makes it more comfortable for your range of movements. Next off, let's talk about sizing, as it's always hard to buy a leather jacket online, especially finding the right fit and size, especially with Satchel and Paige's jacket. They say they make their jackets a little bit more slim. So for reference, I am 5'8", 175 pounds. Chest size is size 44, and I went with size large. When looking for the right size on Satchel Paige's website, I would highly recommend going to their size chart and make sure you use your chest size as reference. Definitely a slimmer fit, close to the body, looking really good. I have to be honest, it is a little bit tight around my elbows here, and when I do cross my arms, I definitely feel a little bit of tightness. Even with those gusts on the back, that bi-swing pleat back, it still feels a little bit tight. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this jacket and wear it in and hopefully it fits better, or if I'm gonna contact their customer service in exchange for an extra large. However, if you do get a jacket from Satchel Paige that doesn't fit you, please go ahead and contact their customer service. They are super friendly, they reply in a timely manner, and they want to help you get the right size jacket so you like the jacket that you just bought. I believe Valerie is the one that replies on their customer service email, and Valerie is super kind, super sweet. Like I said, she is very helpful and she's very friendly. Last but not least, let's talk about pricing, as pricing is a huge factor when buying a leather jacket. There are a lot of bomber jackets out there online. They range from anywhere from $200–300 all the way to $900 up to $1,000. So this jacket comes in at $750. Honestly, not a bad deal at all for the quality of material they use. YKK zippers, French full grain calf, vegetable rattan leather. You got the Spanish wool shearling collar right here. For the materials that they use, the craftsmanship that they use to build this jacket is honestly not a bad deal at all, but I understand that $750 is a big price tag. But if you were to only get one high quality leather jacket, I think this jacket is totally worth it. If I'm gonna be paying $750 for a leather jacket, I wanna make sure it looks good, it feels good, it's comfortable to wear, it uses high quality materials, and it's gonna last a very long time. And honestly, I think this jacket does just that. But let's go outside, show you guys what this jacket looks on body with a full outfit. But before we go out there, if you guys do like this jacket, please use the link down below in the description. Purchase it there, it's gonna help me out a ton. Let's go outside and see what this jacket looks like. guys enjoyed that on-body look of Satchel & Paige's bomber jacket. After wearing it, I gotta say I absolutely love this jacket. Some things I really appreciate about it is the length of this jacket. More traditional G1 jackets are a little bit shorter. They come right around the waist and it isn't that comfortable. However, this jacket is a little bit longer, so I really appreciate that. Another thing I really like about this jacket are these shoulder gusts. They just make moving your arms so comfortable, so easy. The freedom of motion. Last but not least, I really love about this jacket is the removable shearling collar. It's great, it's so easy to remove. There's just a zipper and 2 button snaps on each corner. Bada bing, bada boom, just like that, the collar is gone and it looks like a totally different style of a leather jacket. However, there's one thing I do wish that they did differently is something about this collar strap. I'm not a big collar strap kind of guy. When you're wearing it without the collar, it looks kind of awkward just hanging around here. I wish that if you didn't use the collar strap, there was a button hidden under the collar that you can snap back to kind of hide and conceal that collar strap. Other than that, I absolutely love this jacket. That's gonna be it for this quick unboxing of Satchel & Paige's leather jacket. If you guys wanna see the Rider unboxing video, click right here. And if you guys aren't subscribed yet, go ahead and click right there. It's gonna help me out a ton. One click, guys, help me out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.